Hey everyone, I'm Steph from Sitemate. Monitoring environmental conditions can be time-consuming and involves double data handling, adding to project costs and risking environmental breaches if conditions aren't maintained within allowable levels. Dashpivot's environmental condition monitoring app simplifies measuring and monitoring conditions. And in this video, I'll show you how our app helps to ensure that you meet your environmental and sustainability obligations. In Dashpivot, you can create an environmental condition monitoring template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. I'll run a search at the top here for condition. And as you can see, we have a couple of formats available for dust, noise, and vibration. You can preview the format before adding it into your workspace, and remember that everything you see here is fully customizable once it's been added. Let's use the noise one as an example in this video. You can easily create a condition monitoring report in your team folders. Our standard monitoring template includes fields such as multiple choice lists, the ability to add in photos or even a sketch, tables for information, and e-signatures for final sign-off. Once saved, the report will be shown in a timeline view, sorted by the date that was input on the form, just like this. Reports are automatically compiled into a register where the information from all of these forms can be viewed in a table format. You can also use the filters at the top of the columns to find relevant reports and export this data as a PDF or CSV format. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format your template to best suit your organization's needs. There are many different field types available on the left-hand side, and you can even rearrange as needed. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be made required and also excluded from form cloning in the template editor. These options can be found in the field settings in the top left-hand corner of each field. The list module can be used as a database with various properties such as expiration dates, where you can choose to be notified when a set date is approaching. These lists can also be linked and used as drop-down lists or multiple choice lists in your template forms. As an example, let's look at this location of receiver list. This list in particular has been linked to the noise monitoring report and is selectable here on the form as a multiple choice list. Photos of monitoring locations are important because they provide visual context, ensuring accurate identification and consistent monitoring of the specific sites, which helps maintain data integrity and reliability. These can be found in the Photos tab within your team folders. Photo tags can be created and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS locations can also be captured on photos when the image has been taken through the Dashpivot mobile app. Monitoring reports can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app. The reports are organized in a timeline, just like how we saw on the web access. You can continue working on existing reports or create a new one using the plus button. Photos can be taken directly on the app, or you can choose to upload images from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, they can be marked up to highlight specific details. And if you have created photo tags, these can be applied during this step for easy searching later on. Photo stamps are also available to display additional information such as date, time, logo, geotagging, and descriptions. Once completed, if you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't have to use a computer to export it. Instead, you can send it as a PDF file via email directly from the app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, and Power BI, using our integration product Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your environmental condition monitoring data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage or analytics tools. Try Dashpivot for environmental condition monitoring today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.